How to install Kali Linux? Before anything installing, you should read their official documents. Okay, do read the effort their documents. It is very important. Lots of information are there, so you shouldn't waste time anywhere else. Let's say what system you got, whatever. Okay, first of all select graphical install, then you have to live. Okay, AMD4. Then language, you can select it, it's simple. Then select your location. You want to choose United States, you can choose whatever your country is, you should choose, or whatever you feel. Then keyboard configure, you should choose American English if your keyboard is in English, or whatever pattern. Now configure the network, you can name Kali. Okay, then domain name, whatever you want to give, you can name it Kali, whatever your name, Ankit, Suresh, whatever it is. Then what is your username? Do note that you should write username and password in a separate notebook with pen and copy, and for future reference it is important. Then set new password. Okay, username for itna account, you should try choose a strong, because if you are writing password in notebook, or with you are sitting with pen and copy, write down and choose a strong password, it doesn't take that much time. You can choose time zone, eastern, whatever. And disk, you should choose guided, use entire disk. Okay, then partition disk, you should choose to 21.5 GB. Okay, then all fine in one partition. Then finish and write change to disk. Okay, write the change or yes. Then you can leave it, because I don't know, in latest version it doesn't appear, it can appear, you can choose it none. Now in this one, okay, choose software to install, whatever default there is, you let it be as it is. But if your system or laptop or desktop is strong enough, then you should choose Genome and KDE Plasma as well. Then continue. Basic information, yes. Install the group boot loader to your primary device, yes. Continue. Whatever inter device manually, no, you should scroll down to little bit down and choose that. Then your, it takes time. Okay, it doesn't appear to be at that extra time, you can go and drink coffee, whatever. Finish the installation. Okay, then continue post installation. Okay, then it is that simple. Okay, thank you for this is Windows. And now many people ask, let demonstrate. Okay, so I will go and open my whatever, what is called. Okay, I will go and shut down first of all. Okay, no, this is not, this is also not. Nice. What's up? Okay. Let's open it. Now what I will do? I will do this. First step, you have to name. Okay, whatever I want to name. Let's say video 0 video. I want to select video. VM folder, whatever folder. Okay, then I use ISO image. The file should be in ISO image. Okay, let it other. Okay, others you go wherever you downloaded this disk file image. Open OS Linux OS distribution. There it is very important. You should choose what? Where is Debian? Okay, Debian 4-bit. Okay, then this, then hardware you should choose minimum of this much. Okay, then number of CPU you can choose 2 list. or 3, whatever you want. Specified it. Okay, disk size you should choose at least 50 GB. I will give it, let's see, 80-90 GB. You can choose folder, what folder you want. I will just, you know, I will choose D and save, because no, let's choose as it is C folder. I don't want any, what 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 they called, why it isn't nice. mm. Let's choose C, and let's name Kali, Kali 2.0, okay, 2.0. Sibram Kali, you don't have to save this look and cut it, that is top 10, okay, no, okay, okay, let's okay, upside, yes, Dell, okay, save, okay. Now Dell, now finish. After that it will become, then go to their setting. Okay, now whatever this is, okay, first of all you should in order wise, okay, first hard disk, then optical, then floppy. Okay, this in screen video screen you should maximize it. You can choose 2 to 3, then okay, this adapt in network, always attached to net if you are using it by Wi-Fi. Okay, and if you want webcam integrated or webcam enabled, you should use USB 2.0, and for webcam integrated you should download extension package and install, okay, that extension package of Kali Linux, then it will enable the webcam in your laptop. Then so okay, after that whatever the documents I showed you to earlier, or you can go to their official site and check it, that simple process will be follow. You don't have to take that much time, just refer it to documents. Then I have pre-installed the Linux, so I will go this one. Let's do it. I don't want to repeat the process, because I want you to go through the documents and make it habit to read the documents before anything else, okay. Why waste time, you know, just install the whatever. Where is it, why is it lagging? Start. Okay, enter. Okay, many people think after installing Kali, wow, I am super, but it is not. Just read documents whatever you want to download in future and go through it, then you will be, it's very easy to download. It doesn't take any knowledge, prior knowledge of anything at all. You just able to read and understand it language, or you can see the screen and follow up, okay. See, it is live. Kali Linux is live. There is many files, okay. I will not try to show them, it will take time. Just try it yourself, explore it. Thank you.